I'm TV6 meteorologist Eric DeBroca, and here's a look at your latest weather on demand forecast. Well, the snowstorm and now off to the north and east has really wrapped up nicely, and it continues to dissipate as it meets drier air. So that is the trend, though, as it moves off north in Canada. But it did affect more than 17 states in the United States. And it's a really massive system that we're talking about. So in its aftermath, we're talking about lake effect snow downwind of all the Great Lakes, including Michigan, Erie, Ontario, and Superior, as we are going to be dealing with the remnants of the last of the lake effect snow. But still, we have a few pretty impressive bands, or really one impressive band that I'm talking about in central Elgin County, and even extending a little bit in Delta County, just east of Rock there. But notice the direction has already been changing from the northeast as they were coming in off the lake towards Marquette earlier in the day, and now they've changed over to the northwest as that ridge of high pressure continues to settle on to the south, and that will allow a change in our weather pattern. But first of all, let's look at this week's snow totals. That we racked up some numbers. Almost 8 inches of snowfall fell at the Weather Service, 3.7 on Monday and 4.1 on Tuesday, and had 0.2 of an inch on Sunday evening as well. So all that adds up to 8 inches, and so far we've seen 138.4 inches this entire season. Still well below average, more than 32 inches below average. There is a little bit more coming this weekend as well. I know we're talking about a major warm-up here, at least from where we've been. It's going to feel really nice, maybe even break out the shorts for a little bit. Then things are going to turn back a little bit colder, slightly below average towards the 6 to 10 day period here. 16s in Sawyer and Green Bay, and the really cold stuff is out in place here. But look off in the Great Plains. That's where we're doing our warming there. Bismarck 18, Pierre 25 degrees. So putting your weather in motion, this high pressure now, which was stuck up to the north and funneling in much colder air really for the last several days, has finally sunk to our south, and that will really shrink the amount in coverage and intensity of both the lake effect snow. And as that drier air moves over us, that means we're going to kick the clouds and all traces of lake snows out by early afternoon. And so everybody will see some sunshine. You for sure will need those sunglasses, especially on the fresh fallen snow. Overnight tonight we will have clear skies, which will make it a very cold night. First of all, we'll have temperatures finally closer to average, 30 to 24 from west to east, under clearing skies from west to east. But how about Thursday? Looks like a great looking day. 37 from Munising, 38 from Marquette, and we will tap into some 40s, believe it or not. 42 from Ironwood and 40 from Houghton as the winds back to the southwest, and we will make it to the mid-30s in the east. But let's talk about your all-important St. Patrick's Day forecast. Unfortunately, it's not looking as rosy as tomorrow or Wednesday is going to be. Highs will still be above average, though, in the upper 30s for most of upper Michigan. Unfortunately, with that, it is a trade-off. We're going to be trading some rain in an early morning on Friday, some possibly sleet and freezing rain for the west. We will have some breaks in the afternoon, though. That will transition to snow in the evening and some lake snow for the first part of your Saturday as your TV 6-day forecast depicts that. It also shows that the snow showers could accumulate to a couple of inches. But then Saturday afternoon we clear things out. Sunday actually mostly sunny early on. But here we go again. The clouds come back Sunday night. Rain snow mix on Monday. And temperatures skyrocket to the 40s before dropping back to 30 by Tuesday.